We had discussed till here.
Data handling, sir.
Yes, sir. You all know how to do a pictograph. This is known to you.
Yes, sir.
How do we do a pictograph? Suppose if they give the class strength, say class 6th has got 100 students, class 7th has got 90 students, class 8th has got 110 students, class 9th has got 100 students, class 10th has got 120 students. In such cases, how do we do a pictograph for this data?
Sir, we can have a key.
We can
One
have a
smiley
key.
for 10 students, sir.
Okay, that is called as a scale. It is not called as a key, it is called as a scale. In the scale, we can consider one smiley to be equal to 10 students. So here
Yes, sir.
10 smileys have to be made. Here 9 smileys are to be made and the things like that. So making a pictograph is easy. In case if they give somewhere here 85 as a strength of class 11th, how do we do
Five,
this
sir.
85, sir?
Sir, we'll change the smiley into 5 students, sir.
Sir, we have to make smiley as 5, sir.
Smiley as
So half smiley should be used. So only half should be used.
Half.
Only take half, sir.
Only half should be taken.
Yes, sir.
Something like this. This is five. Five students.
Yes.
So we all know how to do a pictograph. Do we know how to do a bar graph? How to construct a bar graph?
Sir.
Suppose if there is a question that number of students in 6 different classes are given below, represent this data on bar graph. Here you observe maximum, इसमें maximum 140 है, minimum is 80. So all these numbers are to be represented on a graph. So this will be a graph of class versus number of students. We can consider class on the horizontal line and on the vertical line we can consider the
number
number
of
of
students, sir.
students. And we need to take a proper scale so that all these numbers will fit in. Suppose if I mention you, these are the steps to be followed. Observe the steps here. Step 1 is to draw two perpendicular lines, mark them as OX and OY. These lines are x-axis, which is OX, y-axis, which is OY. Along OX, write classes at points taken at uniform gaps. Along OY, write the number of children. The third step is to choose a suitable scale on OY. We will choose a scale as 1 unit equal to 20 children. Here, when we observe the numbers, it's a very large number. 140 is a large number. To represent that on a piece of paper, if we take 1 unit as 20 children, 1 unit as 20 students, here when we divide, we get 7 units.
7,
For this we get 6 units.
6, sir.
For this we get 5.5 units. For this exactly 5.
5,
For
sir.
this we get
Sir, 4.5.
4.5 units. For this we get 4 units.
4.
So these units can be represented on OY, that is y-axis. Next is to calculate the height of the bar that I have just shown you. The graph would look like this. The number of students are mentioned on the OY, which is y-axis. It is called as y-axis. Let me mention that. This axis is called as y-axis. This axis is called as x-axis. X-axis is horizontal, y-axis is vertical. Here you observe when we divide it, we get the unit. 7 units, 6 units, 5.5 units, 5 units, 4.5 units, 4 units, things like that. Here the classes are mentioned on the x-axis: 5th standard, 6th standard, 7th standard, 8th, 9th and 10th standard. These are placed at equal spaces. Actually, this graph is not a proper one. I have compressed it.
It's okay, sir.
These gaps are to be uniform. If you are leaving 1 centimeter, here also 1 centimeter to be left, here also 1 centimeter to be left. These are the vertical strips.
Okay, sir.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So 5th standard, 140 students were there. So we have to have a rectangle such that the length becomes, or the height of this bar becomes 7 units.
Sir, your voice is
And,
breaking.
and the
Sir,
height
your
of
voice is not coming and the presentation also gone, sir.
presentation also gone. It is showing internet is connected, but
No,
still there is a problem.
First, sir,
There is internet issue here.
Now
Yeah.
also your voice is breaking.
Okay. Is the presentation visible now?
yes, sir.
Yes, sir. It is visible only. Simply tell.
Ah.
It is
Now
visible,
I
sir.
Yes,
have
sir, it is visible.
connected my internet. Mobile internet is
Yes,
being
sir, your
connected now.
mobile hotspot is very nice, sir. It is coming clearly.
It is clear now.
Yes,
This
sir, it
part
is clear.
everyone has
Before this,
understood.
it was breaking.
How to make the scale, how to find these values. You have understood.
Sir, please
Yes,
tell it
sir.
once again, sir.
Yes,
Yes,
They
sir.
sir.
will
Clear.
give these two things. This is given. They give class and the number of students. These are to be found. So we need to find the height of bars for each of the category. For 5th standard, when we divide using the scale is 20 children. I get the height as 7. The height of 6th class is 6. For 7th class, it is 5.5. For 8th class, it is 5. For 9th class, it is 4.5. For 10th class, it is 4.
Okay, sir.
So we need to make rectangles. For all these rectangles, we have to keep the same width. If we are taking 1 centimeter as the width of this, the same 1 centimeter should be considered for remaining classes also. This is a procedure. And there
Okay,
should
sir.
be uniform gap between them. These gaps are also should be same. Though it is not clear here, the gaps are to be same. If you are taking this as 1 centimeter, 1 centimeter gap should be there for all the categories.
Okay, sir.
This is the method for making a bar graph. Here you just observe the graph.
Okay, sir.
This is a graph of pet animals and the number of students. Which is the most popular pet?
Cats, sir. Cats. Sir, cats. Cats, sir. Cats.
Cat.
How many children have a dog as a pet?
8 students. 8. 8,
Children.
sir.
Suppose if I ask you all the entries, dogs how many? 8. Cats how many? 10.
10.
Rabbits how many? 2.
2.
Five.
Hamsters.
Five.
Sir,
Sir.
5.
It is
Sir,
5
5.
because when we make a horizontal line, it will be exactly half the way between 4 and 6.
Five.
It is 5.
Okay.
Sir, it is
What
3.
about
This
others?
is 3, sir. 3, sir.
3, sir.
3.
Teen, sir.
Sir, 3.
Teen, sir. Teen,
Sir,
sir.
Yes, yes. Now I have brought you some questions which are not from the textbook. These are from exemplar. I am taking this basically because your textbook question, Sheila Tarakan madam will take. These questions I am going to tell it. You know what is the meaning of a tally mark?
No,
yes,
sir.
sir.
Okay, you don't know.
Yes,
Let me
sir.
tell you.
Yes, sir. We know.
Sir,
Okay, those
please
who do not
explain
know,
it, sir.
those who do not know, please listen now.
Please explain it, sir.
Suppose if I have a class of 25 students and I collect the marks obtained by these 25 students, say 20 marks, 21, 20, 22, 24, 16, 19, 20, 23, 24, 20, 19, 15, 17, 18, 20, 20, 24, 23, 22, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25. Now,
Sir.
observe these are 25 in numbers. There are 25 observations.
Yes, sir.
If I want to make how many of these are there in a table format, I am going to write the marks and I am going to write the number of students. How many students have scored the marks if I am continually writing it. If I write 15 here, you see the first row 15 is not there, second row 15 is not there, in the third row there is 15. I'll strike this, I will mark it as 1. Now if 16 is the number, first row there is no 16, in second row there is 116, so 1. If I write 17, in the third row there is 1. If I write 18, again in the third row there is 1. Now if I write 19, you count here in the first row there is no 19, in second row it is there, in third row it is there. When I strike this, I will make a mark of these lines. These vertical lines, it indicates how many students are there. This particular thing is called as a tally mark. Here, the number of students, if I write 1, 1, 1, 1, 2. How many 20s are there? You just observe. 1 here, so I'll mark one more, I'll mark one more. The third one, I'll mark it like this. The fourth one, I will mark it like this. Fifth one, I am not going to write a fifth line here. I am going to write a cross line. This is a group of 5 and there is one more. So totally there are 6. How many 21s are there? 21. If I write 21, in the first row there is 1. In the second row it is not there. Third row it is not there. In fourth row it is not there. Fifth row there is 1. So totally 2 are there. So to represent the given observation, I can make use of this thing called as a tally mark. So in the tally mark, we always represent using the vertical lines. This indicates 3. This indicates, this indicates 5. Sorry. How many are there here in this? There are 10. So we always make use of tally mark so that there won't be a confusion. Is that clear to everyone?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. So you've understood the use of tally mark?
Sir. Yes, sir. Yes. Yes, sir.
Tally mark is used so that there won't be a confusion in counting the observations. Yes, coming to the question 1, using tally marks, which one of the following represents the 8? 8 means the combination of 5 and 3. It should not be the
Sir,
combination
D.
of
Option D.
D, sir.
Option
D.
D.
D. D, sir.
option
D.
D.
Sir, option D. Sir, option D. Sir,
In
option
this,
D.
if you observe, there is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5,
Sir, they have
and
not
then
made
3 more.
cross line.
Actually, the fifth line has to be crossed 1. So,
Yes, sir.
option D is the correct answer. Very good. Look at question 2. The marks out of 10 obtained by 28 students in a mathematics test are listed as below. The number of students who obtained marks more than or equal to 5 is let us count them. Here this is more than or equal to 5. This is more than or equal to 5. This
Sir,
is
option
equal to
D.
5. This is equal to 5, equal to 5,
Sir,
more,
option
more,
D.
more, equal, more,
70.
more. This is more,
Sir, 17, sir.
more,
17.
more.
Sir, 17.
1,
Option
2,
D.
3, 4, 5,
Sir, D,
6,
sir.
7,
D.
8,
17.
9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17 are there.
Sir,
Option D.
option D.
Yes, sir.
The
Option
same
D,
thing,
sir. I told first, sir.
if I want to write using tally mark, if I want to use tally mark for that, I will be using in this way. This is 5, one more 5, one more 5, this becomes
5.
15,
15
2 more
two.
lines.
15, sir.
This will
This
give
is 17.
tally mark of
17,
17.
sir.
Tally mark of 17.
Okay, sir. Question 3 is there here. In question 2 above, the number of students who scored marks less than 4 is less than 4. You have to identify. Let me take this highlighter. This is less than 4. This is less than 4. Less than 4. Less than 4. This is less than 4. 3 is less than 4. Should I consider 4?
Sir, 10. No, sir.
10, sir. 10,
I should
10,
not
sir.
consider 4, no? Why I should
Sir,
not
9,
consider
sir.
4?
10, 9. Sir, they are
Sir,
told
because
below
they
4.
are equal to 4. They asked less
They are
than
told
They
below 4,
asked
sir.
less than
Option
4. They did not ask less than or equal to 4.
Yes, sir.
So totally if
Option
I want to count 1, 2, 3, 4,
10, sir.
5, 6, 7, 8, 9,
Sir,
10.
10.
10 are there.
10.
So 10. If I want to mention a tally mark for that, 1, 2, 3, 4, fifth line crashed.
5.
1,
One
2,
as well, sir.
3, 4,
Another one.
fifth line crashed.
5. Yes, sir.
This is tally mark.
Tally mark.
10, sir. 10 mark. 10 mark.
Okay, sir. Question number 4. The choices of the fruits of 42 students in a class are as follows. They have given some letters and they have mentioned that A stands for apple, B for banana, G for grapes, M for mango, and O for orange. Which two fruits are liked by equal number of students? So here I need to mention how many students are there who are liking a particular type. So I will make a table. This table is called as frequency table. It is called as frequency table. In the higher class, you will use this word frequency table. Here, I will mention the fruits,
Sir, apple
and
9.
here I will mention the tally mark, and here I will mention the numbers. If apple I consider first, banana next, grapes, mango, and oranges, I will make the tally mark now. You just observe. I'll cross this A. Here I will mark one vertical line, one more vertical line, or we can go in a row
9
wise.
A, sir. 9
Okay,
times.
sir. Shall we go row wise? O, here 1, B,
Yes, sir.
here 1, M, here 1, G, 1, B, 1, G, 1, A. A is there here, G is
Sir,
there here.
option D.
Okay, sir, let me check it. M again, A again, G one more, M one more, A one more. How do I represent this now? 4 are already over. Cross line.
Yes,
B,
sir.
G cross line. M,
Cross
B
line.
cross line. A one more line. O, M, O, G, B, O, M, G, A, A, B, sorry, M, O, M, G, then B, A, M, O, M, O. Now you write the numbers here. How many are there here? There are 9. Here how many are there? 5 plus 3, 8. 5 plus 3, 8. 5 plus 5, 10.
10.
5 plus 2, 7. You
7.
count the total here. 9 plus 8 is 17. 17 plus 8 is 25. 25 plus 7 is 32. 3 carry, we get it as 42. This is the total number. You can cross check here. 42.
Yes,
So I
sir.
have not left any of these. Which two fruits like by equal number of students? These are the two fruits.
Option D.
Actually,
Banana with guava.
option D.
Sir, I
Next
told
question.
correct answer.
Okay, sir.
Banana
Next
with
question is similar.
banana grape.
In the question 4, you have to identify maximum number of students liking a particular fruit. Here, what is the maximum? 10 are there.
Mango.
So,
Mango.
Mango,
Mango.
sir.
mango is most liked fruit among the students. Mango. These were the questions which are MCQ type. Now we have the questions which are true or false type. Question number 6 to question number 13 are true or false type. In question 6 we have, in a bar graph, the width of bars may be unequal.
Sir,
False. Sir, false.
False, sir.
Okay.
False.
Sir, false.
Actually,
Sir, it
there
is
will be
equal,
equal
sir.
width.
Equal width.
Equal, sir. False.
False.
Equal, sir.
In a bar graph, bars of uniform width are drawn vertically only.
Yes. No.
Here,
No, sir. No, sir.
False,
No, sir.
false.
No,
uh,
sir. No, sir.
here we have observed that it
No,
is
sir.
vertical. It can be
Yes, sir.
rotated like this. Now it has become horizontal
Horizontal.
now.
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
It can also be rotated like this.
Yes, sir.
So
Yes,
it is
sir.
not compulsory that student should be written here, pets should be written here only. There is no compulsion.
Sir,
So
false.
the answer is false. It can be represented horizontally as well as vertically. So this statement 7 is also false. Statement number 8. In a bar graph, the gap between two consecutive bars may not be the same. I said
Sir,
you that
false, sir.
it has to be same.
False, sir.
False, false, sir, false.
Sir, we are
False, false, sir.
the distance will be same, sir.
Distance
False.
should be same.
All the bar graph, sir.
Yes, sir. Question number 9. In a bar graph, each bar, that is rectangle, represents only one value of a numerical data.
Only
Each
one.
bar.
Yes, sir.
For
Yes, sir.
one
Sir.
For one value, one bar. For another value, another bar. So this
Yes, sir.
statement is a true
True, sir.
statement. Statement number 10. To represent the population of different towns using bar graph, it is convenient to take one unit length to represent one person. Can we
True,
do
sir,
that?
true.
Yes,
True,
sir.
true,
True,
true.
sir.
Oh, is it?
No, sir. False. We have to take
I will,
for
I will,
town, sir.
I will take
Not
a
for
simple
person.
example. Uh, in Bijapur, if I consider 1 lakh people are there, 1 lakh.
Sir, we have
And,
to make 1 lakh
and in
graph
Belgaum, if I consider 1.5 lakh people are there, can we consider one unit as one person? 1 lakh should be the scale
to make
required.
a rectangle for a town, sir.
False, sir.
So it is false.
We have to make
We
for
cannot
town,
have,
not for person, sir.
to represent 1,000 kilometer, we cannot have 1,000 kilometer sized graph paper. It's not possible.
Sir, we have to make
Excuse me,
for
sir, I
town.
have a doubt.
So only we are using scale for that. Yes, excused. Somebody is asking doubt.
Sir,
Yes, sir.
sir, we should write this true or false in our book, sir.
Nair, I'll share this file. You can just go through this.
Okay, sir.
Okay, sir. Statement number 11. Pictographs and bar graphs are pictorial representation of numerical data.
No, sir. Only
No, sir,
photograph
not false.
pictorial represent, sir. Not
This
bar
is
graph.
a true statement, sir. This is
Statement of
true. This is a pictorial representation only. Using pictures we are representing. Using rectangles we are representing. Statement number 12. An observation occurring 5 times in a data is recorded as 5 vertical lines.
False, sir. False.
False, sir,
false.
false, 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 sir,
Actually,
false, false.
we have to represent like this 4
Not cross,
and 1
sir.
vertical.
Fifth line is cross.
False, sir.
So this statement is false because this is represented in this
Sir.
way. In a pictograph, if this symbol represents 50 book in a library shelf, then this symbol represents 25 books. If it is, think that it is
True, sir.
exactly half.
Fa
True, sir.
false, sir, false.
True, sir. True.
I said that you think that it is exactly half of this.
True, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. True, true.
Next we have the
Yes, sir,
questions
true,
which
true.
are fill in the blank type. Question number 14 to question number 21 or fill in the blank type. Let us discuss this fill in the blanks now.
Sir,
14th one. A dash is the collection of numbers gathered to give some meaningful information. Dash is the collection of numbers.
Data. Sir, data.
It has to be data. Data is the collection of numbers gathered to give a meaningful information.
Sir, tell
15th
to chat,
statement.
sir. Sir, the chat is coming on the screen.
Tally, sir. So Kumar Bhakti is sending
Sir, off the chatting box, sir.
Kunal Bharti, please don't.
Yes, sir, is spamming true, 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 false, 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 and from a long time, and it is disappearing your screen. Sir,
Yes, sir. We can't see
sir
the
very big messages
presentation.
of 4 to 5 lines and 100 lines also, sir.
Hmm?
Sir,
Yes, sir.
many times, not one. She is writing true, 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 true,
screen is
like
going.
5 to 6 lines and 7 to 8 lines and 10 to 12 lines.
Sir, we off
Okay,
the
don't do
chat,
that,
sir.
Kumari.
Yes, sir.
Sir,
Kumari
off the-
spam always in the class, sir.
Bharti, don't do that.
Sir, off the chat box, sir. I can't see this presentation, sir.
We also.
Now you are not able to see the presentation.
We can see now.
Screen that the chat is coming, sir. What they have written and sent.
Hmm. For that, I have to do circus here.
Presentation is.
Every time it becomes difficult for me here.
Sir,
Let it
the
continue.
screen is
I'll request Kumari not to type anything in the chat box.
Sir, she left the
Let us
screen,
complete
sir.
this fill in the blanks type. The data can be arranged in a tabular form using dash marks.
Tally marks.
Using tally marks. A dash represents data through pictures of objects.
Pictograph.
It is called as a pictograph. In a bar graph, dash can be drawn horizontally or vertically. These bars can be drawn horizontally or vertically. Statement 18. In a bar graph, bars of dash width can be drawn horizontally or vertically with dash spacing
Sir, same.
between them.
Sir, between them.
There should be equal spacing. This is known to you.
Well,
These bars, they should be uniform.
uniform.
Uniform width should be there. An observation occurring 7 times in a data is represented as dash. Here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 2 more. This is how we represent using tally mark. In a pictograph, if this flower symbol, if this symbol represents 20 flowers,
60. Sir, 60, sir.
this has to
60,
be
sir, 60.
60 flowers. Okay. Next one is on the scale of 1 unit length, which is equal to 10 crore. The bars of length 6 units will represent dash, and of dash units it represents
60 crore.
75. Correct, sir. This will be
Yes, sir.
60 crore, and dash units 7.5 units.
7.5.
Yes, sir.
Okay.
7.5 is.
Yes, sir.
All right. These are the questions which are related to filling the blank type. Next, we have question answer type. We shall discuss in the next session. Is there any doubt?
No, sir.
No, sir.
Let me end today's class here.